Hello guys, how we doing today? Happy weekend. I hope you're all having a great fun. So basically I'm going to be going over my charts and all the trades I placed this week. Feel free to join our free signal because it happens to be 100% week. No single loss on our trade. All the trades I placed on my free signal group was all the hits, price hits, TP on all, even smash and move ahead. So I'm going to break it down the trades and stay tuned for this video. So I entered gold on you had our first trade was on gold sell on Monday, and you can see in my charts this is the exact spot I got into the trade from, which was off the 1 hour chart, and this was the exact entry. So let me give you an illustration on why I got into this trade. So basically, market trends in different ways, and the reason why I got into this trade because I saw a kind of pattern that price created for me to go into the market. But first of all, this is how I'm going to tell you. First of all, price was at a strong level of resistance. Let me do this. Let me take off everything first. Let me do this. Okay, yeah. First of all, price was in a strong level of resistance, and this is that price was got into a all-time, like basically a strong level of resistance, which was this high. I was very close to it. So if I go to the daily time frame, I think you will see it properly on the daily time frame. So this was where price was on Monday. Let me bring out my tools. So price was in the level, yeah. This was where price was on Monday, and yeah, this was where price was on Monday. So I saw this level, and I was like, okay, this is a strong level of resistance, and the possibility of price coming down once you reach that level is very high. And mind you, looking at the way the candle ended on the previous day, you can identify that there's no actual top week on this candle. So there's every indication that price will likely drop from this spot that is when I was looking at the market. So I like, okay, how do I want to enter this market? So I thought that okay, I should be looking for sell since it's a strong level of resistance. So if I'm to look for a sell, I need this a kind of confirmation that price will give me that this trade wants to come downwards. That was what I was looking at when I was getting to the chart. So that's what I did. So what I went, I trade the London section. So once it was time for the London section, I was looking for any kind of edge market will give me that will just make me okay. This is my edge. Let me try and dive into the market and try and enter it. So this was what I saw. Price created a level of support down here. This was the support on the 1 hour, but let's go to the 30 minutes. So this was what I saw. This was the support I saw down here on the 30 minutes. But price created a new support here, which was the current candle here. So me, when I initially saw this candle close here, this one here, yeah, I was waiting for kind of rejection for me to probably sell it, but price never did. Price just continued going upward. Then the next candle closed below this level of resistance. So it was more like a fake out for me. This I saw this as a fake out. Price was trying to. I probably say price broke downward, broke back up, like fake out, trying to continue, but came back into the zone. So I just felt like okay, at this point in time, um the buyers are not strong in the market, so the sellers are trying to push price downwards. That was the initial move I was looking for. So when I went to my 1 hour time frame, which was what made me said that this is a good time for me to start looking for positions to just enter inside this market. So I saw this candlestick, the way it closed, a weak rejection, failing to continue pushing upward and close below this low. So I noticed that at this point, the moment price break below this low, it has no business coming back above. So I was not looking for sales. So what I did, the higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. So I entered my buyers off the 1 hour time frame. So I got into my sell. Yeah, I just placed my sell stop below this level, and my stop loss was above this level. So this is look at my side, you can see that I posted it. So this is the exact trade I entered. So I was targeting these areas. There was an area in 30 minutes I was targeting for TPs. I think my TP was around 40 people. So I had the area I was targeting for my TPs. And that was how we were able to secure our first profit for the week, which was on Monday. So let's go over our next trade. Let me show you more about all the trades we placed this week and how we got lucky. I got lucky trading the way I did. So moving over to Tuesday. Give me a second to just bring my chart up. Yeah, moving over to Tuesday, which was supposed to be a sell as well. So now this was the reason why I entered it. Now on Monday, candle was strong, was very strong bearish. We had a very strong bearish close on Monday. I think there was a news event on Monday or something, but it was a very strong bearish close. I can't remember. I don't think there was news, but there was a strong bearish close on Monday. I think there was a news event actually. The strong bearish close on Monday, and I was like, okay, since there's strong bearish close, the day, the previous day, Monday candle was bearish. So me coming into the market on Tuesdays, I'm looking for sales because that was the daily buyers. The daily buyers obviously bearish. So I saw this was more like a counter trend for me. I saw the price going up, so I was just looking, okay, since it's going up, this is like a break retest for the price to continue pushing downwards. So I was looking for any form of entry that price will tell me that okay, I want to start pushing downwards. So since me, I trade during the London Open. I look for those volume when price is trying to trend, when there's a lot of volatility in the market to go in. So this was what I saw. So me, let me take off on my chart again. So sorry. So what happened is that I saw that price had a level of a minor level of support down here on the 30 minutes, and I was looking to trade below that support. So if I go to my 15 minutes, my entry was up the 15 minutes, but my support was drawn on the 30 minutes. So this was on the ninth. Okay, yeah. So this was initial where I saw price came down, created a level of broke below the structure. I'm looking for sales, but the sale didn't come in, a bullish close. Then when I saw this strong bearish momentum engulfing this candle, like okay, yes, this is it. This was exactly where I draw my new support. So this was my target. This was where I was targeting price to come get to. So I entered the trade. The moment it broke below this low, my stop loss was just literally above a bit above this level, and price came down to 10 people. Luckily for me, price pushed forward and we got about 30 people on this trade. But my target was around 12 pip. My stop loss were around 12 pip as well. So this was where I put my stop loss. So that was how we were able to secure this good profit on Tuesday. You can see it on my Telegram channel. So going moving over to Wednesday. Wednesday was a buy. This was like our usual textbook setup, and this is how we trade when we're trying to cash some money in the market. So basically on Wednesday was a simple, like I said, it's just London section. This was literally pre London. This trade was entered. We got our trade easily on Wednesday. This was pre London. This is simple bullish bullish continuation. You can see the markets now. Price is just forming, trending, giving us some levels there. So this was off the 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So my entry was actually off the 15. So I draw a level of resistance here that price. I'm waiting for price to break above and keep pushing upward, but I wasn't satisfied because price has been rejecting this level. So I wasn't satisfied by just entering off the flip. So I had to go to the 15 minutes to look for more confirmation in the market for me to go. So this was a strong close, but I wasn't satisfied. My buy stops was above this level. So this candle did activate me. It was when this new candlestick begin. The moment it broke above the eye, I have to put my stop loss below the structure, and this was how price moved about 200 pip, if I'm not mistaken, about 150 pip. Yeah, about 150 pip that day. So this was a trade. So the trade on gold. So that was it. But I was able to just cash 40 pip. So I was okay with that. So moving forward, let's see our Friday trade, which was Thursday actually, which was I think was break even. This trade happened to be a break even trade. And why did I get in? So okay, basically I felt like price has gotten back to that level of resistance, our major resistance. So I felt like price has no level trending upward, like it has to come down back. So I had to just find a way to catch the reversal. So I'm looking for reversal. And mind you, I think I'll start trading reversal less because I'm noticing that the win rate is not as high as the a trend continuation is. So it was simple. The initial entry I was looking for was this one, but I missed it. So I when I got into the charts after analyzing my market for that day, I was able to catch this particular one. So I just noticed that price has broken below the structure, which was this, and I got in a sell here, and my stop loss was above here to get to this TP. So that was the reason why I got into this trade, and we're able to secure 100% win rate on this. So feel free to join our free Telegram to catch more. To just join us and see how we trade and be part of the community. Welcome to everyone. So see you all in the next one. Peace out.